Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply texture in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. This technique is perfect for adding depth and visual interest to your designs, making them stand out with a professional, polished look. Adding textures is a great way to transform a simple image into something more creative and eye-catching. Whether you're designing posters, social media graphics, logos, digital artwork, or promotional materials, textures can help create a more realistic and unique appearance. They can add effects like paper grain, scratches, fabric patterns, or other artistic details that make your designs feel more complete. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application loads, you'll need to open your existing file or create a new one to get started with your workspace ready. Before applying any texture, make sure your image is properly prepared and positioned on your canvas. Having your project organized will make it easier to adjust the texture and achieve the final look you want. Click on the image where you want to add the texture effect. This selection is crucial, as it tells the software exactly which element you'll be working with. Selecting the correct layer is an important step, especially if your project contains multiple images or design elements. Make sure you are applying the texture to the intended object to avoid changing the wrong part of your design. Now direct your attention to the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Normal. Click on this drop-down to reveal various blending options. From this list, select your preferred texture mode. The blending mode controls how the texture interacts with your original image. Different options can create completely different results. For example, some blending modes can make the texture appear softer and more natural, while others can create stronger contrast and more dramatic effects. This step determines how the texture will blend with your base image, so take a moment to choose the option that best suits your creative vision. Next, navigate to the opacity setting, which is also located in the right panel. Click on it to access the opacity slider. Use this slider to adjust the intensity of the texture effect. Moving the slider left will make the texture more subtle, while dragging it right will create a more pronounced effect. This fine-tuning allows you to achieve exactly the look you're going for. A useful tip is to avoid making the texture too strong unless you're creating a specific artistic effect. In many professional designs, a subtle texture often looks more natural and helps enhance the image without distracting from the main subject. Alternatively, if you want to add your own custom texture image, you can do that as well. Using a custom texture gives you more control over your final design. You can use your own photos, downloaded textures, or created patterns to achieve a style that matches your project. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on File from the menu bar. This opens a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Place. This option allows you to import external images into your current project. A file browser window will appear on your screen. Browse through your folders until you locate the texture file you want to use. Then click Open once selected. Your cursor will change, indicating that the texture image is ready to be placed. Click anywhere on the canvas to position the texture image where you want it. After placing the texture, you'll likely need to resize it to ensure it properly covers your original image. Adjust the size by dragging the corner handles until the texture fully occupies the first image. Make sure the texture extends across the entire area you want to affect. If parts of the original image remain uncovered, the final effect may appear uneven or incomplete. This step is important because it ensures your texture effect applies evenly across the entire design. Finally, in the right panel, locate the texture image layer you just added. Right-click on this layer to bring up a context menu, then select Rasterize to Mask from the options. This action converts your texture into a mask, seamlessly blending it with your base image and completing the texture application. Using masks gives you more flexibility because it allows the texture to work with your image while keeping the editing process more controlled. You can always go back and make adjustments if you want to change the strength or appearance of the effect later. And there you have it. You've successfully applied texture to your image in Affinity Designer and Photo. With this technique, you can create more professional-looking designs by adding extra depth and character to your artwork. Experiment with different textures, blending modes, and opacity settings to discover new creative styles. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.